The Zonesun ZS-AFC50 is a compact monoblock filling and capping machine equipped with 4 magnetic pump heads for high-precision liquid dispensing. Operating at speeds of 30 to 60 bottles per minute, it integrates bottle feeding, filling, cap placing, and capping into one rotary system. Designed for essential oils, cosmetic serums, and massage oils, it ensures clean, accurate, and efficient production. The machine features a cam-driven capping system, dual-track bottle feeding, and a vibratory bowl with a soundproof dust cover for continuous cap sorting and placement.